Hey, if you want to buy Samsung Care Plus for Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to go to the settings, and now you will have to scroll down. Go basically for About Phone, and now scroll all the way down and go for the Samsung Care. From this website, you will have to actually go below and pick one of the packet. For example, let's get the cheapest one. That's the Samsung Care for some broken screen or stuff like this. You can repair your phone once per year, and that's actually the price. And from here you can just sign up with your details, and then you can just find also some base descriptions about how it works, what it does, and if it is even worth to use, some opinions from the other users. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel.